Welcome to MineLab World. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of depositing funds and purchasing a miner on our platform. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for MineLab World. Click on the official website in the search results. Once the website loads, go to the account login page. Enter your username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. To start mining, click on the Mining section and select Start Mining. You'll find a variety of mining plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your budget and preferences. For this demonstration, I'll select the Cloud Mining Silver plan. After selecting your preferred mining plan, choose a payment method. If you've already deposited funds into your MineLab World account, you can pay directly using your balance. Otherwise, select the direct payment option. Highlight blockchain options. We offer multiple blockchain payment methods, including USDT, TRC20, for the Tron blockchain USDT, ERC20, for the Ethereum blockchain USDT, BEP20, for the Binance Smart Chain. Simply choose your preferred blockchain method and click Payment Confirm. You'll now see the wallet address and QR code. You can either copy the wallet address or scan the QR code using your phone to proceed with the payment. Once the payment is completed, you'll need to provide the following details: the transaction ID, TXID, a screenshot of the payment confirmation. Upload these by choosing the file and clicking Submit. After submitting the payment details, your payment status will be marked as pending. You can check this status in the Payment Logs section. Once your payment is verified, the status will change to completed, and your mining plan will be activated automatically. That's it. Your miner is now active, and your mining journey has officially begun. Thank you for choosing MineLab World. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Happy mining!